Here we have very rusty bumpers. You see these? Can you see how rusty that is? Check that out. Proper rust, right? Even look how bad the tailpipes are. Right, so this is, this is a this is a properly rusted up bit of chrome. Yeah. Right. Let's get started. I'll show you how to get this back to shiny chrome using Coca-Cola, tin foil and a bowl. Right, first thing you want to do, get some tin foil, put it like that, crush it up. What you want is, you want to have these sharp edges type thing going on with it. Get your Coca-Cola. I was about to say shake it up then, but I don't know why I said that. Get some Coca-Cola in here. You'll be surprised how quick this works, right? Get some Coke in there. Dip your tin foil in the Coke. Check out this. Try and get a close up of that. See here? Check that out. I need to wipe it off better, but not just a myth, people. Not just a myth. It's not just a myth. Right, I'll get on. Let me put the camera somewhere else so Catherine can get stuck in and help me rather than holding the camera, and then we'll get this done. Okay, this is what I was on about earlier. How badly rusted that exhaust is. That's like properly rusted. Check this out. This will never be super chrome like the rest, but look at that compared to the other one. Crazy, isn't it? Right, that is the bumpers done. The next thing you need to do is to get all the Coca-Cola off, is get a sexy lady to wash the Beetle for. I didn't do anything. What are you talking about? How did you know I zoomed in then? What? How did you know I zoomed in then? We'll get back to you when this is finished. And there we have it. Check them bumpers out, exhausts out. Not bad for a bit of Coca-Cola and tin foil, is it? Not looking bad at all. Lovely looking Beetle this. Do love it. Even the sunburntness of it. There we have it. I'm sweating my nads off. And that's it for another video. Cheers for watching.